Hello everyone, I'm going to be talking about the power concept. This is a light video, it will not exceed a couple of minutes. Now, what's the two types of a power? A power might be absorbed or supplied. If a power is absorbed, that means I'm moving from a high potential to a low potential, just like a resistor. A resistor or a light bulb, if the current will go through it, it would move from a high, which is a positive, to a low potential. That means I'm decreasing in potential. While if I have a single source, the only source in the circuit, certainly it will be supplying. That means I'm going from a negative, right, a low potential to a higher potential. I always think of this as elevator. If I enter a building and I want to move from let's say like the top floor, number 5, to a floor or the ground floor, then I'm descending. That means the power is absorbed, or I'm consuming, or it's descending. While if I just entered the building and I want to go to that top building, that means I'm going higher and higher. Then it's what it's supplying. So if I'm going up from a negative floor to a positive, that means I'm going up. If the opposite, I'm going down. This is absorbed, this is supplied. I took here a couple of drawing. Let's deal with it. The current entered a high to a low, that means absorb. The current entered from a low to a high, even if it's descending. If you look at it as it's going down, doesn't matter. I'm looking at the both, the current and the voltage. So I'm entering the negative, the low to a high, to a higher potential. That means I'm supplying power. Why? It increased. It increased potential. Now, for this example, I moved from a low potential to a high potential. It increased potential, then it's supplying. For this one, I'm moving from a positive to a negative. That means I was at a high potential to a low potential. That means it's absorbing. Now, I want you to pay attention to one thing. Sometimes he would give me one of those values as a negative value. If so, let's say for this here, I was given the voltage is to be 2 volt while the current is negative 3 ampere. In this case, I'm gonna go right and multiply, since the power is the current times the voltage, negative 3 times 2. The answer is negative 6 watt. Now, if I'm looking at this, I'm moving from a low potential to a higher potential. That means it's supplying. But a negative power, I can convert it to a positive power, and if I do so, I have to switch the word. What's the opposite of supply? Absorbed. So a negative 6 watt supplied equals to a positive 6 watt absorbed. And this is the trick that we'll be seeing next video. And this will be it. So stay with us and take care. Bye.